The best phone of 2018 is the Samsung SX Max Mate Pro XL. I hate that Apple caught on to that too. With his outro, Jaime could make a diss on Eminem easy. I know, his beard is weird. Jaime is rocking a new Magnum PI stash. Okay, yeah. That's right, it's that time of the week. I am Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow, and it's time for the Pocketnow Daily Recap, your comments for last week. So on Monday, the top comments had everything to do with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, the leaks of the new camera design, and I asked you which one would be your favorite. We had 653 comments. Huawei are taking over. If my P20 Pro is anything to do by, the Mate 20 Pro will be a beast. I seriously have to agree with this. It's very hard for me to explain just how much better the P20 Pro is when it comes to photography, battery life, just the whole usability of the phone. So, oh my god, that Mate 20 Pro with even better specs, that's gonna be crazy. Huawei are doing what other manufacturers are not. Try change. Yes and no. Huawei is following on certain design elements from the iPhone with the display and everything, which is something that I hate. But I do love the boldness that they're following with their design approach to cameras, photography, where they're not doing what everybody else is doing, and I love that. And then the user interface is this mix where I don't even know how to describe it. Yes, glad there's still innovation, not just iteration. Again, not necessarily agree with that, particularly with display design, but everything else, totally from Huawei. Then on Tuesday, the topic was the Google Pixel 3 XL and its possible color options. We saw blue and some pink, but it was all code names. We didn't really get to see photos. I asked you, what did you think? We had 359 comments. Godzilla called. He wants his notch back. All right. I need to change my joke, fine. I could give the Pixel presentation at this point. All right, yeah. Like, with absolutely all of the leaks, like, it would be awesome if Google would just hire any of us to just stand on stage and be like, let's talk about the phone that all of you know about. Or like Steve Jobs did with the iPhone 4, it's like, stop me if you've seen this. Google's improvement on its camera is still hanging on the Pixel 3 notch or no notch. True, I don't know, it's the most horrible design I've ever seen, but so is the Pixel 1, the largest chins on a phone for no reason whatsoever, and yet we praised it so much because of its camera, so I don't know, man. Then on Wednesday, the topic was the OnePlus 6T. We had some renders. I asked you, what did you think about all the leaks so far? We had 374 comments. I'm just waiting for the day when you have a fridge, washing machine, a wardrobe, and a damn phone, and people will say meh. True that, technology has become so ubiquitous that I agree. I know. Hopefully OnePlus doesn't settle with no headphone jack. At this point, Kevin, I honestly doubt it. I just can't wait to hear the excuse though. Should the 6T likely be IP certified after removing the headphone jack? Most of the rumors point to that we're getting a larger battery and water resistance, and that's the reason why they're getting rid of it. I don't know, man. Their bullet wireless headphones are good. They're affordable. It's just not a practical way to connect. I feel that Bluetooth still needs work. Apple has done an amazing job with AirPods, even though they're the worst headphones ever. I don't know. We'll see. Then on Thursday, the topic was Huawei, the leaks of a possible underwater camera mode. And I asked you, like, how often do you take photos underwater? We had 321 comments. Once, I used the Galaxy S3 once to take pics underwater. I am sure that phone didn't work afterwards. I think, it was the Galaxy S5 was the first one with water resistance. I think underwater mode is awesome. I do too. I just find it really funny that they're using waves in the video, which pretty much points to salt water, which pretty much points to there is no water resistance right now that works under salt water. Well, there is on certain products, but I don't think it's gonna come on one of these phones. The beast is a beast, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. True that, let's just see if it proves itself. And then Friday, the topic was the Samsung Galaxy S10, the fact that there were 3 variants. One of these variants having up to 5 cameras. which is crazy. But yeah, we had 518 comments. I asked you, I mean, what did you think about this? Samsung needs to work on their UI first and foremost, in my opinion. Yes and no. I like their design aesthetic. I feel that it's fine, but then again, it's a matter of taste, buddy. Samsung doesn't need more cameras, but needs more updates. True, definitely. I think that fine. If they want to push their whole user interface, that's fine, so long as we get the updates. I need super slow-mo on the LG V40. Right, stick to the point, definitely. At least you got your comment here. LG V40, we'll see what we get, because apparently that phone comes with 5 cameras as well. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you want your comments to be featured, keep them short, stick to the point, and try to get some thumbs up. It helps us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow me on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.